Ladies and gentlemen, I prepared my Holy Stone HS140. I removed all 4 screws for you in advance with the screwdriver. Now I'm going to lift the body up and away. And this is the interior of the drone, the battery, the arms, the micro switch, the JST, a nice close-up shot as you can see. What we're going to be doing is showing you and demonstrating how to get this arm off so you can get to the actual motor. Over here, this clip is going to come out this way. And the way I get that clip off is I put my nail underneath and I start to lift away, and I do my best to hold the bottom of the arm. As you can see, it starts to separate. Then I get my fingernail underneath and I work it towards the back. Now, there is a trick in doing this, and you have the right tool in hand to continue, but please be careful of the red and blue leads on this one. You have a spanner tool. The spanner tool is going to get underneath the arm over here and pry off. You're going to start to work this arm off just a little bit more. It is held on by pressure, and do take your time when doing so. As you can see, I'm working mine off. I'm now going to get this underneath. You hear the click. I'm going to work it to the other side. You can see the space I have there right now. I'm going to get this underneath, as you can see, and then I am going to gently work it off. As I lift off, that is all you have to do. You're going to take these leads, match like for like, and replace your motor. Your red is your positive, your blue is your negative. If you have a black and white, your white is your positive, and your black is your negative. Please make sure you don't pinch any leads when placing things back on. You want to use tape to tape things up. As you can see, this is the arm, and this is the other side of the arm. You want to make sure that this little rubber insert over here doesn't go in and you lose it. You want to hold that little rubber. You want to place it over the motor, and then you want to carefully put your fingers underneath to rest. Slide that on first. You could take the propeller off, put it on last, snap it all into place, and listen for the snaps. Everything looks good. Is the leads in the way? Are they going to interfere when you turn? That's the question. If it is, like so, you're going to again lift up, give a little wiggle. Get to the other side, lift up a little, and then try to get the leads tucked in with the screwdriver. Snap into place, and now you're 100% positive that everything is on and snapped in. Now all you need to do is, for me, I make sure my micro switch is facing me. My cover goes on this way. This is important to do by putting each of the precision screws on and tightening up. As you do this, this will make the gears, the 5 snapping gears, lock into place when you do this correctly. Give you an idea of what I'm talking about. 1, 2, as you can see, they snap into place. Finish off your precision screws. You want to make sure you have no openings like this by giving a good press on each of the arms over here and locking this down into place. Everything looks good. Inspect your work. There's just a little bit a sign of an opening over here. Make sure all the arms open and close nice and snug like they're supposed to. Now what you're going to do is test out your drone. Just for your information, you could buy a spare motor for up to $18 or buy a new drone and keep the original as a spare to replace the motors at a later time. We're going to turn on our drone, turn on our transmitter, go for a small flight to show you it works, and have a great day.